So I'm having an issue with the Basecamp. So let's check it out. See if you guys can help me find it. Get this. Alright, so the transmission's off. Maybe not enough play. But check it out. On. Now listen when I turn it off. Oof, that's rough sounding. That grind, what is that? I'm gonna give it a little gas and then I'm gonna turn it off. Give it a little more gas, put it back in frame. Ooh, that sounds brutal. What is that?